remember, I'm not even trying to be funny. I think down this road, this was this place that used to be down this road, or one like it. I think it was called the Mirage. All the way down, like down here at the end somewhere. It's been a minute. Let me see if I can, because I ain't been out here in like a hot minute. This looks kind of familiar. I think it was like right on the corner right here. If I'm not mistaken. And it was called Mirage, the Mirage on the water. It was right here. This was it. This totally was it. I remember going in them doors right there. Yep, and people would be out there. Look, people would be out here till 4 in the morning, 4, 5 in the morning at the Mirage, kicking it, right? Used to be going in them doors right there, walking up that hallway right there. That's crazy. The Mirage. Y'all remember this? Used to be right out here, jamming. Wow, look at that. I remember being in here, bro. That is crazy. Back in the day, y'all, I was out here kicking it at 4 in the morning. One rabbits running across the road. It was some serious partying going on down here. Hemlock. I'm pretty sure a lot of people got, they're going Coyote running right down there. I kid you not. Man. They just ran past that cat. I just seen a coyote run past this cat. I kid you not. A rabbit ran that way, and the cat was sitting there, and the coyote ran right past it. Man, let me get out of here, dude. Because I can't be firing no firearm and then be getting investigated. Man. Speaking of coyotes, there used to be some cougars up in that club back there late at night. And I ain't trying to be funny. Man, that's the second time, I kid you not, that I saw a coyote dashing across the road. Boy, I think people, boy. The little thing moved pretty quick. And he ain't quicker than this hot metal. Let me put it like that. People will never believe the stuff that I see out here. That's why it's called the living truth, and it's being recorded live. I'm gonna head on back to base. I can't believe how many coyotes, I almost said cougars, I ran into. Coyotes, actually. I can't believe it. A freaking I gotta ask somebody about this. Cause that makes absolutely no sense. It's totally insane. And if I tell somebody, people are gonna start freaking out. Oh my God. No. All right, so what am I doing on this side of the road? I gotta get back over to the other side of the park or wherever the place I am. I gotta go. I'm rolling, you know, a little exercise. I gotta ask myself, when did Coyote start being a big part of the city of Cleveland? They don't want to tell you stuff, but you find out, don't you? They ain't got to tell you. You'll find out.